Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video let me show you this 3-parting lace closure 4x4, and this closure is a 3-parting lace closure. It's pre-parted in 3 parts, and you can see there are 3 parting here, 1, 2, 3. So when you wear it, you can part from anywhere of these 3, and compared with this one, which is a free parting, and with this way you can, when you wear it, you can part anywhere. And this is 3 parting. So which one you like? Tell me.